Hey there everyone, it's Lisa and Joe here. Yeah, and look, we are so excited because we want to tell you all about our Business Solutions Summit. You may very well have seen some of the posts going out about it and the little videos that we've been creating, but it's pretty awesome.
Yeah, highly energised, which is why we've been, a little bit absent. We've been working very hard behind the scenes to put this all together. So Saturday the 21st of July, at Pullman Albert Park, and this is our inaugural Business Solutions Summit, and there's quite a bit that you should know. So it's not just about being inspired, is it, Lisa?
No, and look, for us it's almost like a dream come true. We can't believe actually we're going to do this amazing thing. So the idea is, we've been really frustrated about businesses going under, and that, many of you feel like you go to lots of events but you don't walk away with the solutions that you need for your business. So we thought, well, what if you could actually workshop your real pain barriers, the things that, keep you awake at night, and you can do it with an expert so that you can actually walk away with solutions for you and your business. So this is not about someone talking at you, it's about you workshopping with an expert the things that you need to know in your business.
For sure. But you'll start off the day being inspired. NAOMI SIMSON, can you believe, we've got to open our event. She's going to be fantastic in talking about her pain points that she's overcome throughout her career. And then, of course, as Lisa says, there's going to be 3 different areas that you can choose to go into workshops throughout the day and really workshop those pain points with an expert facilitator, as well as a small group of businesswomen that also have the same problem.
So you'll actually make some awesome connections along the way. So it's pretty exciting. Very exciting.
So you're going to walk away having met someone who knows what they're doing, the expert facilitator, as well as a dozen or so women that have got the same problem that you can connect with, as well as having talked about your very own issue and understanding how you might move forward on that.
Yeah, exactly. And before you get to go to the event, once you sign up for it, you can actually answer a questionnaire and put in what it is you really want to know, so that we can make sure we got the answers for you. And I think all those things mean that you'll walk away with a toolkit that on the next day you can start implementing in your business. So not just loads of inspiration, although there'll be great connections to be made.
Very practical.
It's all about giving you the tools that you need to really do well.
And of course, we will finish the day with our signature Business and Heels event between 6 and 8 p.m. So your regular ticket will get you into that. It'll be lots of fun. We'll have a great panel speaking, as well as a guest speaker who, again, are going to talk about the things that have really stood in their way and how they've overcome them, so that again, you can not only be inspired, but you can relate those things to your own business.
Yeah, exactly. So the first one we're doing in Melbourne, obviously, and we're really, as I said, really excited. So if you can't get to Melbourne on the 21st of July, why don't you share this with other people that you know might get some benefit out of it? Because again, it's the first of its kind, and if it goes really well, or if you guys really like the idea but you can't make it, let us know, because we're really keen to then maybe take it around the country, maybe take some of it online, because at the end of it, what is it that will really help your businesses tick along? And that's, what we're really thinking about.
I mean, our mantra is about unlocking the potential for women in business, and we are absolutely determined to make sure that we provide resources and tools that are actually really, practical and solution focused, that you can take away and actually use. And so we are so pumped to bring this to you. Can't tell you how proud we are.
Yeah, absolutely. And then for those of you who are real NAOMI fans, there's a few little extra special VIP offers, like maybe having breakfast with her, or maybe getting your photo taken with her if you want to, and get her a signed copy of her book. So yes, a few really fun things coming up.
I'm a little bit starstruck, but don't tell her, because otherwise she'll be, go away, Joe, go away.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Oh, you're going to sit next to her at breakfast, aren't you?
I am indeed.
So anyway.
She doesn't know it yet, though.
So if you've got any questions about it, there's a link on there. But as I said, we're super excited about it, and really proud to be bringing this to everyone.
So I hope you'll join us, and really look forward to seeing you there.
Yeah.
Okay.